In this video, we're going to show you how to set up Act Companion mobile application. All right, here we are. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is get what they call the API connection or API link that you'll need to use to be able to put on the phone to be able to connect your Act database and your mobile device. Now, the connection must be linked to the master database. It can't be linked to a remote database. It can only be linked to a master database. And so if you, in your install, you'll have to have what they call Act Connect link installed. So let me just show you where that is located. We're going to go into Control Panel, and we're going to go into Program Features, and you need to make sure that this is installed. I'll have a link in the description to show you where you can get that if you don't have that. This will actually need to be installed on the machine that is hosting the master database. So if your database is sitting on a server, or if it's sitting on your local machine, you're a solopreneur and you're the only guy using it and it's on your local machine, then you can do it from there. But it has to be wherever the master database is, and again, not on a remote. So make sure that that is installed. When that's installed, then you can click on right down here, you can go and find Act Connect, and you click on that. And this will show you right up at the top here, the URL. It'll actually load a website too, and you just can close that off. But what we're looking for is this link right here. And then you can copy that link and paste it someplace else, but you'll need this URL, this Act Connect link URL, because you're going to put that in on your phone. So we're just going to copy that information, and we're going to now go to our phone. All right, now what we need to do, the next step is to download the Act Companion app. So let me grab my phone and grab my cheaters, and we're going to click right up here on the App Store. Now I'm using an iPhone. You can use this on, does the same thing on the Android. You're just going to go to the Android store and find it. And so I'm going to click on the search here, and I'm going to go and look for Act Companion, and I'm going to use this one right here. And second one down, I'm going to download this. Once this is downloaded, then you can click on the open button, bring it up. And then you've got some information that you're going to have to fill in. First is the username for the specific data that you're going into. All right, once you have that keyed in, then you're going to click Continue down at the bottom here, right here. Then it's going to ask you for that connection link that we got from the database that is the master database, wherever it's hosted, whether it's on the server or wherever it's located. You want to get that URL link and key that in here next. Now that we have that URL keyed in, we have to make sure that we have the name of the database, and it has to be specific. So whatever is uppercase or lowercase, whatever the combination is, make sure you get the name of that database. And you can catch that up on the top left-hand corner of your Act screen. Right up here, that's the name of your database. So you want to actually make sure that you get that. Now don't get the Act space hyphen space. In this case, it's the Act demo underscore V24. So that's what you want to capture there. All right, so now that once that information is keyed in there, you can click on the login button right there. And if everything goes well, you're logged into your Act database direct, and off you go to the races. Hopefully this has been helpful to you. And if you have any questions or run into any problems, please reach out to our support team at support@corelogix.ca. We'd be happy to assist you. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye for now.